Hello, namaste to you all. In this video, I am going to share one of the most and fantastic things to you all about the language setting of our laptop. So, without downloading any fonts, any software, any application, you can change your language of your laptop in setting, in WordPad, in Microsoft Office without downloading any fonts. So, you can use each and every language without downloading any software or application. So, how can we do that one? In our laptop, normally I am going to share my screen. Like in my laptop, you can see here in my WordPad, I can type here uh, English, and normally I don't need to do anything of the Microsoft Office. Normally I press on here, and then after I press Nepali, and then after I started to download, uh, it started to write in Nepali language. So from here I can increase most of the language, and it doesn't only it not only working in a Microsoft Office, it's working each and every parts of your laptop screen. Like when I also press here, then it's started to type in Nepali, and from here I can also change in like English. So it again started to type in English. So in this way we can change the language of our laptop. How can we make this one in like in suppose that I'm also going to show you in a Chrome option, like in Microsoft Chrome option. So you can here it is started to type in English, and then after when I press on Nepali, then it is started to type in Nepali. So I can choose language by myself without downloading any software, any application. How can we do that one? So let's see. For that one, we need to press on window bottom. Like here, we need to come on window search bar bottom. Then after press on search here setting. Like we need to firstly I need to change the language because I've already made in Nepal, so I need to press here setting option. Then after you can press on setting, and so after pressing we need to search here time and language option. So normally you can find in the setting like a left side of your laptop is left side of the screen, time and language setting option. Press there, and after that one in second one you can see language and region. So here press on language and region option. After that one you can select here more language, like the prefer language. Microsoft Store F will be appear in the first supported language. In this first, I have just added two language, Nepali and English. English United States language. If I want to add like a, so press on add language option, and from here you can find a different language, like which language you wanna add on your laptop. Like suppose that if you wanna add some like a different language, like foreign or this language, if you wanna add, then press here, then after press on next option, then after it's normally search for that language, and then after press on install. And so after like changing the language, like here from here you can add, then after when you like type here this, then it started to type like this language. In each and every way you can use that language, uh, use that font in that setting. So this is the way to like a change language. You can change each and every language, which language you want to prepare without downloading any application, any software on your laptop. So this is way to change the language on your laptop. Hope you understand and really effective for you. Thank you for watching our video.